This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, February 29th. Stock index futures were lower in the overnight trade, but reversed and are higher now. This after the release of the 7:30 economic reports. We did have personal income coming in up 1% when a gain of 0.4% was expected. We did have jobless claims at 215,000. That compares to the estimate of 210,000. So these were somewhat offsetting reports. But later this morning, we did have the February Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 44. The guess was at 47.3. Also a weaker report, the Pending Home Sales Index coming in at down 4.9% when up 0.8% was predicted. Overall, stock index futures are performing well for the news, which suggests that we may see some follow-through strength. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index coming under some pressure, not responding that well to the 7:30 reports, with a little follow-through weakness with the two reports that came afterwards. Longer term, though, it still looks like the fundamentals are on balance supportive to the dollar index, with interest rate differentials remaining positive for the dollar. And in the interest rate futures markets, we are seeing prices higher in response to the economic reports that we had this morning. But I'm inclined to believe that the Fed, which will probably be very slow to add accommodation this year, will dominate. So any gains that we are seeing in the interest rate futures markets, I think, will probably be short-lived. Also, it now looks like the Fed will remain on hold as far as their policy outlook for the March and May meetings. Maybe a cut in June, but I'm also thinking that the prospects of a June cut will probably be diminished as we get closer to that date. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMAS or ADM.